Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are in this world. This is Hejin Lee with an evening update for Bitcoin. So, the day action for today was pretty uneventful. It almost made a rounding top pattern, if you will. And I think what we need to do is set this aside a little bit, clear it up so we can do a little more surgical activity. Zoom in like so. Get rid of that, clear it up a little bit. Let's clear up some of the lines here and draw some lines, new lines. So let's look at this. We have bull flag here. We've got another small bull flag right here. And then we've got a big one right here. So it's like bull flag fractals galore. Like this. And if this is correct, then we should see a potential of A, B, C, D, and E. So price could go dip down to maybe 1482. If that's the case, A, B, C, D, E could maybe go to 1482. Now, what's another way of counting this? Count this as A, B, C. And it'll still bring it to about the same destination. There is one count that I think should be mentioned as a third alternate. And that is this. If I draw a horizontal line across here, pattern-wise, we can see a pattern called a head and shoulders top. And this would look like this. We have the left shoulder, we have the right shoulder, and then we have the head. If that's the case, then the minimum price move on this could be 14,161. All right, this is a third alternate scenario that I would count. But I don't think this is the reason why this isn't very likely, probably on the very low scale of probability. The reason I think so is because if I look at the MACD, look how the MACD has been declining here to an oversold state. This is one of those few times when I use the MACD or MACD. I just don't like the word MACD. I guess maybe I just don't like McDonald's. Look how the MACD has been declining while the price has been going lateral. That's a divergence. When you get a divergence like that, in my opinion, it's more bullish than anything else. So let's leave this here and go back to the prior primary count. Like that, where we have a bull flag. This fits well with this. This has been declining from here, actually from here. And the MACD or MACD is oversold, pretty close to it. So if it goes further down to, let's say, down here, it'll be in the oversold zone. I find that very interesting. So when MACD is in the oversold zone, most likely this is going to turn up. When this turns up, the price will turn up. So it may go further down a little bit more, and that'll allow the ABCD to complete. ABCDE to complete, and price will turn up. How will it turn up? Well, we're looking for 18917. I think we can get rid of that for now. We almost hit it, close to it. 176577. Okay. A few $100 off. I'm still aiming for that 26.4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I see. So let's see if overnight price dips a little bit. And by the time we awake in the morning, price could be starting up again. This is my primary count. I've given you my primary, secondary, and third alternate count. There's really not much more to be said than that. So we are aware of where the price will go on the primary, secondary, and third alternate count. So when price goes one of those ways that is not a primary, that awareness will not panic us. Awareness keeps the panic away. And if that's the case, what I will label wave 3 will be 23,000. Like that. But what really drives me now is that this is oversold on an hourly basis, and we should see this turn up. Just like here. It got oversold, price turned up. And this will get also oversold, but probably not as low as here, but maybe down to here, to the bottom of the circle. So I hope this is helpful. Now again, I've had some really good sessions in coaching some Steamians, as well as my followers from YouTube. I just didn't know there were that eagle number of people. And I've coached people from extreme beginning to those who actually are quite good at counting already. So more on the mid to early advanced stages. And much progress has been made. If this is something that you feel could help you as well, I'm more than willing to see if I can help. I would look forward to an opportunity to see if I can help you become self-proficient in running and doing your own analysis and significantly truncating your learning curve. So if you have interest, please give me a shout out by email at hedging_crypto@yahoo.com. I receive sometimes in this email a lot of thank you emails, and I'm very grateful. Thank you. It makes me feel great to know that I'm helping a lot of people. I also receive a lot of emails where people want to make requests for analysis. Perfectly fine. But I would ask you to please submit those requests at the comments section for the Steemit blog. That would be really much appreciated. And if you don't have a Steemit blog, please do apply for one. Because I'd like to see if I can consolidate the request lines into the Steemit comments. All right. I don't want to make this video too long. Thank you again. As always, I hope I have earned the right to ask you for the consideration of your upvotes. Still, I'm seeing a good number of upvotes coming in. Mighty grateful for that. I'm seeing now views into the thousands. Some of my posts. Mighty grateful for that. The visibility of that. And some of the high-level whales have come by and given me a boost with their upvotes. Very grateful for that. It just gives me a lot more visibility. And I think I've made a trend, the trending section a couple of times now, just recently this week. That's extremely exciting. And if you've come to my blog by seeing it on the trending, please let me know. Shout it out in the comments. And that really would make me just give me that additional encouragement. Just keep going on this. It takes a lot of time to put these videos together. It takes a lot of time, effort, thought, consideration to get these analysis put together and put out. And I very much enjoy it because I know it's helping a lot of people. And that's clearly my objective. So let me know if any of you came to my blog from the trending articles that made it over the past week. All right, thank you and have a great night.